You can see they got a trash can, and the trash can is infested. So if you got a trash can in here and nobody treats the trash can, then there you are. There they are right there. There's an infestation. There's the poop. There's the excrement. And they're hiding in there. So you got to treat the trash can. You got to treat inch by inch in this room in order to get the result.
Environment. You know, the trash cans are completely infested. Okay, so what we've done is, you can see we baited there where nobody's going to touch that. You can see there. So this is going to take, there's a lot of nymphs, a lot of the adults have died since last week. We expected that, now we're expecting nymphs in all different stages. Handle, we filled that up with bait, all the bait is completely gone. Now, so are the roaches. We would open this up and there would be hundreds of roaches. So far, I've only seen one or two. So the infestation from the garbage can is gone. See, we used to open this and you saw there's one that came out, just flew out dead. We're looking around at the bottom. See if there's anything at that bottom. Nope. So we knocked out the infestation in the garbage cans. They're no longer there. Look at the other one. Do a surprise out there. See, this one still has. See them there? There's all that excrement. That's all excrement from roaches. That's what it looks like. But they ate all the bait. It's completely gone. So now we're down to a really moderate infestation in here. So we baited it again. We put some underneath. There you go. See, I don't know. Oh, let me turn this around. See, underneath the garbage can, about every 2 feet, we put a dot under there, and it's completely eaten. We put it last time. There's some there. So they are adults. There's an adult right there in that garbage can. She's starting to put an egg together. There's still adults in that garbage can. Remember, we put bait here? A lot of bait, it's all gone. They ate it all. So they're consuming all the bait products, which is good. We just have to continue on this. The secret in these kinds of situations where the infestation is really, really heavy and we don't know exactly where the point source is to follow up weekly and inspect. So you can see there's nymphs, but very little adults. They used to be just inundated with adults. They ate all of the bait that we put. This garbage can, see there's a little bit of bait left in that corner they didn't eat, so that's good. This is the one that's least infested. This is the one that's mostly infested. And the reason is they're gonna come in here at night, come out of where they're hiding, and look for places where they know food is. I mean, people drop stuff in here.